Welcome to the Future of Metrology. We are at ZEISS IQS where they are hosting a series of events to bring together customers, manufacturing professionals to learn more about their solution.
It's really about networking and getting to know different people from different industries that face the same challenges. Digitalisation, globalisation, and of course, decarbonization. This is driving all our businesses forward, and we hope to provide a platform here in India and then on the global stage back in Germany in our Global Quality Innovation Summits for customers to really experience and exchange this knowledge.
ZEISS being one of the German companies, reputed German companies in this field, I think this is a very good opportunity also for the Indian companies to adopt the best technology, which will help them to give qualitative products as we talk about India's growth in the manufacturing sector.
I'm quite happy to be here, and I see also a lot of customers we could have reached, and they are also very excited to part of this event. They will learn about the newest trends, which ZEISS also brings to the customers, and they will also have their chances to exchange their experiences with other customers on this platform.
Very happy to have this ZEISS Quality Innovations Worldwide event in India. This is a series of events that is happening across the globe. This is an event where we will be showcasing the cutting-edge innovations, what we are bringing into the market, and this is also an opportunity to share with all of our customers the metrology requirements, that the industry would be facing today and also for the future markets and domains.